Good morning, children. Welcome to today's class. Today, we are going to do the exercises behind the textbook. So, take your textbook, page number 38 and a pencil. See, after this class, we will meet only after Christmas vacation. Okay, tomorrow onwards, your Christmas vacation is going to start. So, I'm giving you a homework. Nothing, but you have to pick some problems from your math book and try to write logo commands. Okay, so you have to pick simple addition, subtraction, division problems from your textbook and try to write logo commands to solve the problems. Are you ready? Okay, you have to do during your vacation. See, after vacation, you will have class test, lesson 6 and 7. Okay, so prepare well for the examination. And wishing you all a very happy Christmas. Enjoy your vacation. Okay, so shall we start doing the exercises? Are you ready? Good. Dear children, we can do the exercises given in page number 39. All of you take page number 39. Okay. First question. Write the print command to calculate the following. First one, sum of 45, 67, 89 and 100. Here we have more than two numbers. So we can use what? We can use, yes, symbols. Okay. So what is the print command for doing this calculation? Yes, print space 45 plus 67 plus 89 plus 100. Okay, what is the print command to sum all these numbers? Print 45 plus 67 plus 89 plus 100. So what you have to do? You have to write this print command, not the result. You have to write the print command in the yellow box given. Okay, and second one, subtract 3897 from 9999. Okay, here we have only two numbers, so we can use keywords. Okay, which keyword for subtraction? Yes, so for subtraction we can use difference. Print space difference. Print space difference 9999 space 3897. Print difference 999 space 3897. The result is 6102. 6102. So you have to write the print command, that is print difference 9999 space 3897 in your textbook. Third one, multiply 67, 4 and 10. Here we have more than two numbers. So we can use what? We can use symbol. Okay. Print. What is the print command? Print 67 into 4 into 10. Print 67 into 4 into 10. We can use the symbol instead of keyword. Why? Because keyword accept only two numbers. And next, fourth one, divide 650 by 45. Either we can use symbol or we can use quotient, the keyword quotient. Here I am going to use the symbol. Okay, print 650 slash, for division we use slash, right? slash 45. Okay, the result is 14.44. So you have to write print space 650 slash 45 in the space given. Okay, next one, what will be the output of the following commands? What will be the output of the following commands? Print sum 34 space 78. Print sum, let us type this command, sum print sum 34 space 78. What is the result? 112. So you have to write 112 in the space given. Okay, green box is given for writing the answer. There you have to write the answer 112. Second one, print sum 34, 78 and 45. Print sum 34, 78, 45. What will be the result? Yes. Print sum 34, 78, 45 returns 112 as answer and generate an error message. You don't say what to do with 45. You don't say what to do with 45. Why this error message generated? Because some keyword accept only two numbers as arguments. If we give more than two arguments, an error message generate like this. You don't say what to do with 45. Okay, so what do you have to write in the green box given? You have to write 112, put a comma and write you don't say what to do with 45. You don't say what to do with 45. Understand? And third one, print difference 78, 34. Print difference 78, 34. Answer is 44. When we subtract 78 from 34, we will get 44 as answer. So in the green box, you have to write 44. Okay. And fourth one, print product 66, 9. Print product 66 space 9. What is the answer? 594. Okay. 594. And this next, what is fifth one, print quotient 144, 12. Print quotient 3 space the result. Yes, 3. Divide. Okay. We have to do some more activities like true or false. Okay, we can do that. Copy all these answers to your textbook. Dear children, we can do the exercises behind the textbook. Take page number 38. Okay, first one, draw the symbols for the following in logo. Draw the symbols for the following in logo. First one is what? Addition. For addition, we use plus sign. For subtraction, we use minus sign. And for multiplication, we use asterisk. And for division, we use slash. These are the symbols that we use to do addition, subtraction, multiplication and division in logo. Okay, so write the symbols in the space given. Do you finish? And next is state true or false. First one, we can do arithmetic operations in logo. Is it correct? Yes, we can do calculations in logo. Okay, so that statement is true. Write T inside the space given. Okay, Second one, into is the, or cross is the symbol for multiplication in logo. That is false. For in logo we use asterisk. Okay, asterisk is the symbol for multiplication in logo, so that statement is false. Third one, we use print command to do calculations. We use print command to do calculations. That is true. Fourth one, the keyword quotient is used to do division in logo. The keyword quotient is used to do division in logo. That is true. Okay. Fifth one, logical operations return either true or false value. Is it correct? Yes. Logical operators return either true or false value. Do you finish writing? Okay. Third one we already done. Okay. Write the print command to calculate the following. Write the print command to calculate the following. First question, sum of 45, 67, 89 and 100. Logo command for for doing this calculation is print 45 plus 67 plus 89 plus 100. We cannot use keyword because keyword accept only two arguments. Okay, so here we have four numbers, so we can use symbols. We can use symbol. Okay, and second one, subtract 3897 from 9999. Print difference. Okay, print statement for doing this problem is print space difference space 9999 space 3897. Okay, write the print command in the space given. Third one, multiply 67, 4 and 10. Here also we have more than two numbers, so we can use symbols. Okay, what is the print command? Print 67 into 4 into 10. Okay, so the into the symbol asterisk is used for multiplication. Okay, and fourth one, divide 650 by 45. We can use slash, print space 650 slash 45. Do you finish writing? Okay, next is what will be the result of the following commands? Okay, print statement is given. We have to write the answer. First one, print sum 3478. What will be the answer? Yes, 112. We already done in logo, right? Second one, print sum 34, 78, 45. Here we have more than two arguments. So the output will be like this. Okay, first you can see 112 and then logo generate an error message like you don't say what to do with 45. Okay, some keyword accept only two arguments, but we have given one more argument, so logo automatically generate an error message. Okay, you don't say what to do with 45. So the output will be like this. Copy the output into your textbook. Okay, write the output in the space given. Okay, third one, print difference 7834. Print difference 7834. The answer will be 44. Write the answer. Okay, fourth one, print product 66.9. Print product 66.9. The result is 594. The result is 594. Okay, and fifth one, print quotient 144 space 12. Okay, the result is 12. When we divide 144 by 12, we will get 12 as answer. Question number 6. Print reminder 23:5. See the keyword reminder, return the reminder. So when we divide 23 by 5, the reminder will be 3. So the answer is 3. Okay. Do you finish? Okay. Next, during the vacation, dear children, during the vacation, you have to do one small activity. Okay. Pick in problems, 10 problems from your math book and write logo command to solve them. Okay. Any 10 problems. Okay. And no need to submit the activity in the Google Classroom. Okay. No need to submit the activity in Google Classroom, but you just try to write logo commands to solve some problems. Okay, children? So, thank you so much. Once again, wishing you all Merry Christmas and happy vacation. Enjoy your vacation. Stay safe